Okay, hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
E.
And what are you making today?
Muffin.
Are you making a muffin? Okay, show us what you gotta do. What do you have to do? Show me one egg. Break it. Oh, but you washed your hands already. Where's your towel? Sécatelas, pues. Sécatelas. Say hi. Okay. Break the egg. Come on, help me, Muffin Man. Are you the Muffin Man?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you go like this. Give me the other egg. Okay. Give me the other one. One more. Man, you're good, Muffin Man. One more. It's not broken. Okay. Oh, man. That's a tough one. Okay. Now we need... Okay, that's not for that. We need to open this bag. Let's get the scissors. So we can open the bag. Here you go. Can you cut it yourself? Okay. I'll help you. Oh, watch my finger. More down. Here. Ah! More down. All right. That's a great one. Give me the scissors back. Put those away. Okay. Hold on. Todavía no. Hold on. Then you gotta do this. Then you gotta put water. 1 cup of water. Oh, you beat me. You okay? No. Let it all out. It's okay. There you go. Now you gotta put the water in there. And then we need oil. Give it to me. We need about half a cup of oil. Have like an idea of how much oil we need. Okay. Okay, Muffin Man. Okay. Now I'm gonna blend this, and I need you to put the muffin cups on your muffin cup thing. Okay, that should be enough. No, that should be enough. Put them on here, 1 and 1 and 1 and 1, like the Muffin Man knows how to do it. What are you doing? Make sure you count them when you do it. You gotta count. 1. Count. 1. No, no alcanza esto hasta allá. No alcanza. Cuenta ahí. 1, 2. Are you done?
No, I don't know.
Almost?
I'm not.
Did you count them?
No.
Count them. 1,
Not good.
2, 3. Mira, you got 2 here. Oh, you got a lot here.
Mama.
Monday.
No, no.
Oh, you have too many here. This is too many. 1 is good here. Guarda este. Yeah, 1 is good here too. Okay. You have too many. Okay. Now we're going to pour this in there, okay?
Yeah.
And we're going to do it with the measurement cup because you're a little boy. Oh, hold on. Not that one. We need about 1/4 of a measurement cup for you, buddy. But we got to put the spray. Don't forget. We don't want them to stick, so we want to make sure each one has a little bit of spray. Got it. Got it? Okay, Muffin Man. Do your magic. Well, maybe you have to get more like this. Look. Let me help you one time. Let me help you one time so you can see. Big one like this and then go. Okay? Are you ready to do it? Here you go. Here you go, Anthony. What are you eating? Okay. No, don't put gum in the muffin. Okay. That's okay. You're learning. When you're a beginner and you're starting to learn, some stuff will be tough. I'm not touching you. I'm just showing you how you have to do things sometimes, you know. I'm helping you. Do you like it when Mommy helps you?
Yeah.
Do you know how to count 1, 2, 3? Okay, let's count 1, 2, 3. Anthony, I need you to count with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. How many muffins are you making? 5? 4, 5? That's a lot of muffins. You're going to eat them all, Anthony? Mucho. You're going to eat mucho, a lot? This is the safest way of making muffins. And you don't have to scrub your muffin tray for a while. Yeah, because you're using cupcake papers. It's a great idea and a good tip. It's the best way to do it when you're doing muffins. After eating so many muffins, who wants to wash dishes?
Yeah.
Oh, you do? Well, I'm going to send you to everybody's house so you can wash everybody's dishes. Okay, you ready to put the Muffin Man inside the oven?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's open up the oven, nice and hot. Hold on. Be careful when you do that. This is how they're supposed to look. Okay. Let me help you. Oh, stand back. This is not safe for you. Okay, stay there. Right in here. And you put about 15 to 20 minutes. Peace. Dile peace. Te hablan. Dile peace.
Peace.